Life is fast, we are running. I don't like this, but I am also a victim of it, so I'm determined to change it. As you know, from the first episode of Graduation Diaries, I wake up and read some pages. It's kind of a habit for me. I always do that, no exception. It sets the mood for the upcoming day and night. We are here witnessing the fast moving world and we are also a part of it. But do we really want to be part of this, or we haven't learned anything except running, competing? Can we slow ourselves for a while? Let's walk instead of running. Let's dream without sleeping. There should be something waiting for us. Let's become slow. Let's life catch us. Then I write a few essays on Substack. The morning breeze comes with creativity, and this is the time I am on my peak at creativity. I hope you have seen my last post. I have started my graduation journey, and this week I have tried to fix a schedule. As you know, I am doing my honors in sociology. Along with socio, I am also focusing on the other humanities subjects like political science, history, economics, etc. Currently, I am finishing my lectures. I haven't touched my books yet. I'm just completing the lectures. We have 110 lectures in general sociology, and Indian sociology is still left. Though, but my first target is to finish all the thinkers and research method. Then I will be able to think like a sociologist and develop a sociological imagination. I'm going slow. Once I'm done with lectures, I will straight jump to the books. My approach to the syllabus is very different. I don't believe in studying just for the exam. Let's say you have natural selection by Darwin in your syllabus. The usual approach is to study it from your school or college book and practice from PIQ. Honestly, I don't like this approach. My approach is to study it deeply. If you search for his book Origin of Species online, you will find it. So order that. And in your free time, read it instead of scrolling through social media. In this approach, we develop a deep bond with the topic. We start loving the subject. We invest ourselves fully into studies, and only then can we truly understood the power of education. Education can become as addictive as social media if we follow the right path.